a high-performance and powerful engine for longer lawns. This is the Briggs & Stratton 675 EXI series engine, made in the USA of US and global parts. Starts fast with Briggs & Stratton Ready Start technology. No prime, no choke, just pull for power. And our S2 guarantee. If it doesn't start in 2 pulls, we will fix it for free. Easiest maintenance with just check and add. No need to change the oil. Just check regularly and top up when required for the life of the engine. 9.8 Newton meters of gross torque powers your mower blade to make short work of long grass. The higher the torque, the stronger the engine. Experience quieter cutting performance with the super low-tone muffler. Easy lightweight maneuverability, 30% lighter than equivalent models with the EXI lightweight design. All our engines are backed by the comprehensive Briggs & Stratton dealer network. With more than 20,000 dealers located throughout Europe, there is always a dealer near you. More power, easy maintenance and lightweight with just check and add. The new advanced technology 675 EXI, backed by the Briggs & Stratton S2 guarantee. The 675 EXI series engine gives you the power to get it done. Briggs & Stratton. You powered.